In this video, I'm going to show you how to make up to $700 using ChatGPT with this simple copy and paste method. This is going to help you boost your income. And by the end, you will know how to get quality results and beat the competition. To start, I am going to quickly explain what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. And this generative chatbot will create you very unique responses specific to your questions. You can type anything you want into the chat and it will give you a response in seconds as if you were talking to another person. For example, I can ask the chatbot to create me a 500-word blog on nutrition, which would usually cost me over $100. But with this technology, one can save all that money and time. With just one click of a button, I get a full, well-written blog. Now that I have explained what ChatGPT is, I can get into how you can make money every day with this tool. To begin, go over to Fiverr, which is one of the largest freelance websites in the world. Once you are there, look up video script writers. This is a service that many people are looking for right now since many are trying to become YouTubers. And as you can see, there is very little competition compared to other things such as copywriting or article services. Becoming a good writer with a lot of experience takes time, and that's why you will see a lot of listings where people are charging hundreds for these services. But we don't have to spend those years learning script writing skills. We can have ChatGPT do all the hard work for us. Let's say a customer comes to you and wants a script for a YouTube short. They need it to be 60 seconds, and it is about Elon Musk. All you need to do is go over to ChatGPT and give it a prompt. Now, to be unique, we don't just simply ask it to write you a script. We want to be specific and impress our client. So start by asking it to write you some titles for the video. Then take a few that you like the most and copy them onto a Word document. Now go back over to the chatbot and ask it to write us a captivating, 60-second video script on Elon Musk. We can then add that into the Word document, and we are basically done. Once you are finished with this part, I always recommend submitting your work into a plagiarism checker, as I did for this example. I went to plagiarismdetector.net and it came out as 100% unique. Finally, submit the script to your client and get paid. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Please comment down below if you would like to see more videos like this. See you next time.